Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video we will show you how to check if drivers are up to date on your computer so you can keep your system running smoothly. Now let's get started. Step 1, click on the search icon from the bottom of your computer. Step 2, type Device Manager and click on the Device Manager app. Step 3, in Device Manager, click the arrow next to the device category you want to check. For example, network adapters. Expanding the category lets you see individual devices, so you can check drivers for a specific piece of hardware. Step 4, find the specific device, right-click on it, and then click on Properties. Step 5, click on Driver and find the Update Driver option to click. This section is important because it gives you access to driver update tools and shows the driver version installed on your system. Step 6. Click on Search automatically for drivers. This option allows Windows to look online and on your computer to find the latest compatible driver for the selected device. Step 7. Check the message to confirm whether the best drivers are already installed or if an update is available. This final message tells you if your driver is up to date or if Windows has found a newer version to improve performance and stability. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.